Hey friends, we're out here with the adventure van because we're prepping for an upcoming surf trip, and it gives us a perfect opportunity to test out this new surfboard rack system. Now this is going to potentially solve a very important issue for us. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Now here's why I'm so stoked about this specific surfboard rack system made by Open Road Supply Co. You're looking at the entire system. There's no other bolts, there's no other bars or racks that you need to install. Check this out. Done and done. It's a magnetic system, meaning all you have to do is have a magnetic area like the outside of your vehicle where those magnets can attach to, and it's installed. Now, this is important to state right off the bat. This is not for on-the-road transport outside of your vehicle. Yes, these magnets are strong, but they're not designed to be roadworthy. You don't want to put your really expensive surfboard outside without any rack protection that is permanently stuck to your van. So what do you use this for? Well, there are actually two best use case scenarios for us. The first is when we get to our surf spot, we typically do this. We get the boards out. We actually want them to be leaned up against the van or even on the ground while we're changing into our wetsuits. And what this does is it exposes our expensive boards to the ground and potential damage. I always get nervous when I do this. Now, because this rack system is so easy to take on and off, what I can do is I can find the piece of our vehicle that best suits the surfboard we're going to be using that day, and then basically just take this rack out of our storage in the van, pop it on at a good length, and immediately I have this really nice zone to place my surfboard while I'm getting all the rest of my gear ready. You can see how easily this mid-length board just slotted right onto the side of our van, keeps it off the ground, free from opportunities to get dinged if it was sitting on these rocks. And again, highly modular. I could have moved this rack system much longer if I needed a really big, even 10-foot longboard. Should be absolutely no problem. Now with the way these racks are designed, you can see I do have to have the fin out this direction, but again, there's plenty of room down here for a much thicker board if needed. And again, it just rests nice and easily in this cushioned hook system here to keep everything nice and clean and ding-free. Now, one of the other ways that Open Road suggests you use these racks is in this angled configuration. And what this does is it allows you to slot multiple surfboards up against the van or your vehicle and have them be held in place. Now, obviously this isn't the preferred method because as you can see, the board is still going to be resting on the ground. But if you're parked in an area that's super dirty or maybe even sandy, having your board like this to save it from getting dirty, messing up all the wax, may be a really good option. Again, if you have multiple boards and just need to store them upright. When you're all done and ready to head out for your session or to go back home, you can see how easily they just pull off, and then we'll just throw them straight in the van for storage. Now here's the second use case scenario, and this is kind of a game changer for us with traveling surfboards inside the van. A lot of times we don't want to put them down here in the garage because we have bikes. This just takes up a whole lot of room. Wanting to strap surfboards on the outside of the van is super sketch for me. I hate it. And so using this rack inside could be a perfect solution. Check this out. Even with the plastic columns here, as long as you have metal underneath, these things stick on and hold really nice and easy. Now, because this isn't a permanent solution, you do have to worry about that surfboard shifting or moving around. If you had sudden jolts, crashes, obviously all that kind of stuff. So please use a lot of caution when you're transporting this way. So there you go, friends. That is the Open Road Supply Company magnetic surfboard rack. It's actually a very, very cool product. Now, here's my only negative piece of the review, and that is this may be a little overkill for some people. Is this an absolutely necessary product? Probably not. You probably have different ways of being able to store your board in a way that doesn't ding it up or get it dirty. But if this is a premium object that solves a very specific problem for you based off of your surf spot and the conditions where you are working on your board and gear, this may be just an incredible solution for you. Also, the guys over at Open Road Supply Company are super friendly and helpful. Definitely a big thumbs up for their customer service. If you're interested in grabbing one of these racks for yourself, you can actually find it right here on Amazon. And then we'll also put some links in the description box below where you can pick it up for yourself. Friends, thanks for watching. We hope these surf reviews help. We do tons of gear reviews here on the channel, DIY projects, things to hopefully make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.